Check out this 2011 Ford F-250. It has about 174,000 miles on the odometer. It has a very long life ahead of it. Under the hood, there is a power stroke 6.7 liter V8 turbo diesel engine with a torque shift 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This big truck also has remote start, so you can start it before you leave your house or workplace. There's even leather seating, along with the ability to be heated for extra comfort. This Ford F-250 has electronic stability control, a low tire pressure warning system, and dual front and side impact airbags. Come on down today and see what it's all about with our free 48-hour test drive.